Hello everybody, welcome to Broadstairs on a lovely summer's day. Summer is here at last and we've just finished our Zodiac wall. I've been on this for some time now. I was thwarted by Sagittarius and Capricorn because my mission was to make them all square, which they are, and all symmetrical. Well, Sagittarius is a centaur, half horse, half man. Capricorn, which is me by the way, is half goat, half fish, and I couldn't for the life of me make them symmetrical. So in the end, they're just straight renditions of Sagittarius and Capricorn. However, the others are all symmetrical. I love visual puns. Those of you that are familiar with my work will know that I love a visual pun. The strongest visual pun, I think, is Libra, for me anyway. I've made him look like a face. So the scales, the pans that are holding on the scales are his eyelids. What he's holding, two beads, are his eyes. The central shaft becomes his nose, and I've slightly upturned the base to look like a mouth. I think that's the cleverest, if you like. It's also the most simple, which is telling. Gemini are two girls looking at each other, but that could also be one girl looking in the mirror. And she looks a bit like Alice, doesn't she? So it could be Alice through the looking glass. Anyway, there they are. It's taken a while, but we finally got our Zodiac wall. I hope you like it.